We are going to interpret the results from Excel for logistic regression. So logistic regression is used to predict the probability of a binary outcome. Is it yes or no? In this case, we are predicting whether a customer will make a purchase. We used features like emails opened, link clicked, and previous purchases to determine the probability of purchase. The dataset consists of 10 customers with the following features: emails opened, number of marketing emails opened by the customer, link clicked, whether the customer clicked on a link in the email, 1 or 0. 1 means yes or 0 means no. Previous purchases, number of previous purchases made by the customer. Purchase made. So this is the actual case, whether the customer made a purchase, yes or no. Interpreting the coefficients. Intercept B0 equal to 0. No inherent bias before considering features. Emails coefficient B1 equal to 0.28079. That is the result we got using the solver. That means each additional email opened increases the probability of purchasing. Positive influence but moderate, indicating engagement. So if this is a positive value, that means the emails opened are positively affecting the probability of purchasing. Means if customers open emails, then there is a higher probability of purchase. But it is moderate. Why is it moderate? Because it's not very close to 1. So that's why it's moderate. Link clicked coefficient B2 equal to 0.42135. Clicking a link strongly increases purchases likelihood. Higher impact compared to just opening an email. Because if you see, for the emails coefficient is 0.28079. Now for the link click coefficient, 0.42135 is greater than 0.28. So which means clicking a link strongly increases purchase likelihood and it has a higher impact compared to just opening an email. Purchases coefficient B3 is 0, means no significant contribution from previous purchases. Means if the customer made a purchase before, it's not really a significant thing. Predicted probabilities. The predicted probabilities from each customer vary based on their actions. Higher probabilities for customers who open more emails and click links. Lower probabilities are around 0.5 for customers with less interaction. Example, customer 1, predicted probability is 0.824, high interaction. Customer 2, predicted probability is 0.5, no interaction. Log loss measures the difference between predicted probabilities and actual outcomes. Lower log loss indicates better model performance. Example, customer 3, low log loss 0.08793 due to a good match between prediction and actual outcome. Customer 10, higher log loss 1.30082. If you want, you can go back to the spreadsheet and check it, or go back to the previous video and check it. And customer 10 has a higher log loss. So higher log loss due to less confident prediction. Use solver to find the best fit coefficients by minimizing log loss. We used Excel solver to minimize the total log loss by adjusting coefficients. The GRG nonlinear solver was used to optimize coefficients effectively.